Hey guys, good afternoon. We're live at 5:06 and we're running the third mini for Troy's Empire Special Offer 3-pack. Pretty rad. I got 50 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Excuse me, please. 50 spots, once again, that I'm going to copy. Got them. And take over to random to find our 6 winners here. On this one, paste them in. I got all 50, which is rad. Good place to start. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, as you may or may not know, to play. As our dice slowly roll to a 6. We're in great shape. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Matt in the top spot for our first round. Steve 2. Nick takes 3. Gary in the top spot for round 4. Jurgen takes round 5, bringing us to the always important final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winners are Rob, Peter, Matt, Peter, Gary, and Peter. Congratulations, guys. There's the rest of them. Here's our verification. DGFYJJ. There they are again. And I am, excuse me, done at 5:08 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the winners. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.